There is a particular way to use our gels or you'll end up with this mess, and as we all know, this can lead to serious health issues when you have undercured gels. So let's talk about it. Oranges, yellows, and whites are super fun colors, but in the world of pigmentation, they are also the hardest to cure. Let's first go through how does gel cure. In gel polish, there are special molecules called oligomers, which are the building blocks, and then photoinitiators, which are like light switches. Photoinitiators stay dormant until it is exposed to a certain wavelength of light. For ours, it's between 365 to 400 nanometer range. When you put the nail under a UV LED light, the light energy is absorbed by the photoinitiators, and then it breaks apart into high energy fragments called free radicals, and then a chain reaction begins. The free radicals attack the ends of the oligomer molecules, causing them to link together in long chains, and this process is called polymerization, and then the gels turn from a liquid into a solid. In colored gels, pigment can sometimes block light from reaching the lower layers. Lighter colors like whites, yellows, and bright neons are the hardest to cure because the light bounces and scatters inside the layer instead of actually penetrating deeply. This is why super thin coats are essential. Light has to reach all the way through for a complete cure. But even after curing, oxygen in the air can interfere with the last part of polymerization at the surface, leaving a thin inhibition layer that feels tacky, which is normal. It's either wiped away or sealed in with a no-wipe top coat. So how do we prevent undercured gels? If the light wavelength from your lamp doesn't match the photoinitiator's activation range, curing is going to be incomplete. This is why professional brands will tell you that it's recommended to use a systematic approach because manufacturers like us test our gels with our lamp. If you use another brand's lamp, fingers crossed the lamp that you have matches the photoinitiators, but if it doesn't, we can't guarantee that your gel is going to fully cure. Number 2, for our gel specifically, you need to treat it like somewhere between a Japanese pot gel to a regular gel polish. It's formulated to be super pigmented, so it's perfect for line work to keep it clean, but when you are using it to cover a full nail, make sure that you stretch out the gel, which means that when you apply the gel polish, you should feel a sense of tension. If the application feels super liquidy and way too smooth, you're doing way too much product, and this is going to lead to undercuring. If you're trying to create a thick marbly art, there are cheaper and less pigmented gels on the market that's made for that purpose. Lastly, as always, we recommend that you send in your Luxuria Pro lamp in for maintenance at least every 6 months. LED bulbs can age over time, and when we find that it's aging and not curing as much as it should, we swap them out for you, and if you're still within warranty or have purchased extended warranty, we do that for free. Now, if you're out of warranty already, it's always $39.99 for a maintenance.